Frustrated by the Crygame Engine Library DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. For professional-grade Crygame Engine Library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Crygame Engine Library, the primary gameplay logic module for games built on the original CryEngine, e.g., Crysis, Far Cry. It contains the definitions for player movement, weapon physics, and enemy AI scripts. Could not load Crygame.dll is a high-volume error usually caused by an architecture mismatch, 32-bit versus 64-bit, or a corrupted game update. Without this file, the engine cannot resolve the gameplay loop, causing it to crash at the main menu. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The presence of Event Viewer Library DLL is required for the localized Event Viewer orchestration engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application, showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Crygame Engine Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Warning: Event Viewer Library. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Crygame Engine Library references. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Crygame Engine Library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support